Hey guys, this is Hariharan and welcome to another episode of Bilbo Tech. The former Oppo sub-brand recently unveiled its first smartwatch in India. Yeah guys, in this video we are going to see about Realme smartwatch. Without any further time, let's get straight into the video. Here's the box of Realme smartwatch. At the top of the box, they have given the picture of Realme watch. At the right and left of the box, they have given only Realme branding. At the back, they gave the highlights of the watch. Wow, the box greets us with a watch. They gave us a paper pamphlets, most of us not used to read it. And there's a Pogo pin charger to charge the smartwatch. The design is familiar and inspired by the Apple Watch. It is an easy sell to an audience that wants something similar to the premium product without spending top dollar. Coming to the display, the Realme watch employs an 1.4-inch display set in the black plastic frame. The Realme screen errors on the dull side. Indoors, viewing angles hold up, but peak brightness is far too low to compensate for bright sunlight. Add to the glossy reflective shell and you will struggle to see the display outdoors. Moreover, the Realme watch does not support automatic brightness control, though that's to be expected at this price point. The only button which doubles as a power switch and acts as a back key for the user interface navigation is on the right side of the watch. Talking about the performance, the Realme watch is loaded with features like music and camera controls, which you otherwise do not get in this segment. Besides, the company has promised regular updates to make it even better in the future with regards to features. Though the Realme watch is one of the feature-packed smart wearables in this segment, it is not an optimized one, especially with regard to features requiring Realme Link app. For example, music controls work only when the Realme Link app is open on the phone or running in the background. The watch lost connection with the phone if the Realme Link app is closed. Therefore, you need to add expansion for the Realme Link app on your phone to keep it running. Talking about the features, the Realme watch shows caller information and receives app notification when linked with a smartphone through the Realme Link app. It is a budget smartwatch and covers only the basics. It would have been better if there was a provision to use quick replays for calls and notification. The Realme watch also comes with a feature called meditation, which helps you to relax by inhaling and exhaling. Coming to the battery life, the Realme watch ships with a 160 mAh battery, which the company says it can offer 7 days of autonomy with heart rate monitoring turned on and 9 days without it. In my testing, the Realme watch lasted 4 days on average with the display brightness as 20%, vibration intensity set to highest and over 100 notifications throughout the day, which do consume extra power since the smartwatch vibrates every time you get a notification. The smartwatch took 2 hours and 45 minutes to go from 0 to 100. Priced at Rs 3,999, the Realme watch is primarily a health and fitness tracker that also doubles up as a smartwatch. The watch is worth its price, but it is important to note that it takes its strength from the Realme Link app, which does not seem optimized in its current form. Realme has a good track record of updating its products and service, so we hope it would fix the current issues soon and bring a sync between the app and the watch. So guys, we came to the end of this video. If you like to buy this product, there's a link in this video's description. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and share your valuable comments on comment section. And then don't forget to subscribe Bilbo. Cheers!